Hello children, today we are going to learn about farm animal with the help of picture. The first is cow. The animal name is cow. Children say
Cow.
next sheep. The animal name is sheep.
Sheep.
Alright. Next the animal name is goose. Goose.
Goose.
Yes. Next horse. Horse.
Horse.
Horse. Next chicken. Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken.
Next goat. Goat.
Goat. Goat.
The next animal name is pig. Pig. Come on children, say along with me. Pig.
Pig. Pig.
Next donkey. Donkey. Come on children, say along with me.
Donkey. Donkey.
The next is duck. Duck. Come on children, say along with me.
Duck. Duck.
Next rabbit. Rabbit. Come on children, say with me.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Next thank you. Now children, watch this video again. Alright, bye bye.